Hello children. Today let us learn the diary entry of Oliver Twist from the lesson Oliver Asks for More from Unit 2 Part A. Let's have a quick look at the pattern to be followed. In order to write a diary entry, firstly we need to imagine ourselves to be that person. That is, here as we are writing the diary entry of Oliver Twist, firstly we need to imagine ourselves as Oliver Twist. Then we need to write how we felt, that is the effect of the incident or the impact of the incident in a sentence, what impact it had, what effect it had. Then we narrate the incident. Narrating the incident means telling what happened in detail, that is in 2 or 3 sentences. Generally, in the question itself we are given the incident and then we need to little bit go ahead with the incident or tell the previous incident before the incident given in the question paper. So this way we narrate the incident in Oliver Twist point of view. Then we write our personal feelings, in the sense we put ourselves in Oliver's place, that is we write the personal feelings of Oliver. Then sometimes it also happens that our personal feelings come out in the form of questions. That is, generally we question God or we question ourselves. Why this? Why did I do like this? Why? All this we can also express in the form of questions as personal feelings. Then remember children, always give a hopeful ending. Hopeful ending in the sense with a hope that the days to come are going to be brighter than these days. So that is what we call a hopeful ending. On to the question here. After facing the live board, Oliver returned to his bed crying. So we all know that Oliver was taken to the live board by Bumble, wherein 4 to 5 gentlemen were sitting and they questioned Oliver. You can say they interviewed or gave him an introduction, took an introduction from Oliver, and they had a brief meeting with Oliver, wherein Oliver was asked a few questions and we know that Oliver didn't answer so well and then he started crying. He couldn't stop his tears. So with that crying mood, he went to his bed. Suppose you were Oliver, right? Then what would be your feeling? Now, he sat up to write his diary. Now imagine you are Oliver Twist. Attempt a diary entry. So you need to imagine yourself as Oliver and write a diary entry. Now look here children, this is a pattern for the diary entry. That is, we write the date and time to the right hand top corner. Yeah, some people do write on the left hand top corner, that's not wrong. But writing on the right hand top corner is the appropriate way. Dear diary. Firstly, we greet the diary saying Dear diary. Then we tell what is the impact of the incident. Today is an unforgettable day. That is, Oliver can never forget this day. Mr. Bumble took me to the live board. They asked me my name and then asked if I knew that I was an orphan. I was so burdened at heart that it was just impossible for me to stop my tears. Already the caning of Beadle was paining. In addition to that, this hurting question just broke my heart. Now look children, this is an incident, that is Bumble took him to the live board. They asked him a few questions which were hurting and apart from that Bumble also hit him, that was also paining. Now we go with the personal feelings. I just don't know why they asked me like that. They were just telling the truth, isn't it? Then why did I cry? Is it today that I became an orphan? No. Right from my birth, I am an orphan. Then why did I cry today? I think I never realized that I had no parents. I am all alone. I don't know why this happened to me. Why am I to live such a horrible life? What is my fault? Why should I be homeless and abandoned? Abandoned means left alone, deserted. Why this situation to me? Why this horrible situation to me wherein I don't have parents? He's going on questioning. Then it's all my fate. At last we have to come gradually out of this depressing thoughts. So finally we need to come to such a mode where Oliver needs to convince himself and come out of this depression, get rid of these depressing thoughts. Now I need to get along with this situation. There is no use blaming anyone. Let anyone be there with me or not, God will definitely be with me. Then why should I be worried? The great God, who is a comforter for everyone, will definitely heal my wounds. Then why should I be sad? I will keep praying and be cheerful, looking ahead for happy days. So this is how we come with a conclusion, with a hopeful ending, thinking that the days to come will be better than the present days. Okay, and at last we write the writer's name. Here the writer is Oliver Twist. Hope you all understood how to write a diary entry. Look children, let the feelings flow freely. Do not restrict the thoughts, and then children, if you have many thoughts, you can make a rough draft and then take the best ones, and then you can leave the not so good ones, and then you can attempt a diary entry. So firstly, when you are starting with the diary entry, you can make a rough draft and then go with the fair draft. Hope you all understood. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.